Okay, for today's session, I would like each of you to access the Google Doc with the template in there. This is the master template that walks through step by step of what we're covering. Um, so this is the master template, and there's some subsections under here which are part of this initial task. And each of you have your own um, template that I'd like you to use for each of the activities, and then I'd like you to capture your findings below. So once you come, the first step is I would like you to select a specific industry. For the purpose of today, we're going to do an exercise where we are trying to utilize LLMs to do discovery research to identify high potential opportunities for revenue generating apps. And we are going to narrow down by selecting a specific industry, and then we're going to have the LLM collect the data, analyze the data, synthesize the data, and then generate actionable app concepts that we may take forward in the future. So, the first step is to select an industry. If you need a primer, we have broken down several different industries in different categories. So there's a variety of industries you could choose from. Please just select one. So out of one category, just select one specific industry focus. And then I would like each of you for step 2 to select 3 different data sources. I want you to pick one quantitative, one qualitative, and then one semi-structured. So unstructured would be a qualitative data source. Semi-structured would be or sorry, structured would be a quantitative data source typically. And if you go down here, you will see social media, which is in the um, semi-structured data source, which is really about customer feedback, customer reviews, and those types of things, or like app reviews. So pick 3 different data sources. Um, Once you pick those data sources, I would like you to add them to your template. So for my example, I am going to generate data and insights on the skilled workforce, and I would like to um, have my LLM look for sources that are apps, App Store and review aggregators. They're quantitative. I would like the qualitative data source to be a customer review and support content. And then for my unstructured, semi-structured data source, I would like it to be from social media and community platforms. And then for each of the sources, once the LLM pulls the sources, you can add what your sources were so you could capture that. And then if there is something specific you want to extract out of that data source, I would specify it. So for me, I want to, from the App Store, I want to capture the ratings, the review counts, feature adoption, pricing, just to provide some context to what I'm looking for in that data source. Um, then step 3, we are going to use our three-step simple process for the synthesis, which is sense making. We are going to cluster our findings into 5 to 7 neutral themes, and then we are going to interpret those themes and identify the behaviors, the motivations, the unmet needs, and the constraints. And then we are going to define the product direction. And we're going to synthesize um, 3 to 5 high confidence insights so that we can translate that into a directional statement or a product principle or jobs to be done. And then the final output is we would like the findings to be summarized in a table so that it is easy to compare and review across the different sources. And then the final step of this activity or workshop or project is we are going to generate some ideas which are going to basically synthesize the ideas into the highest probability for app opportunities in your specific industry based on your data sources. So I would like each of you to go to your specific doc, and I want you to copy this prompt after you have selected your industry and your data sources. So for the example, I'm going to copy my prompt. I've already selected skilled workforce, and I'm going to remove those that are not relevant. And then my quantitative data sources, like I said, I'm going to use the App Store metrics and customer reviews, and then also social media like Reddit. So I'm going to take this prompt, and like I said, each of you have the same prompt in your templates, and I'm going to put this here. And now the LLM is finding data sources and it's capturing them in a table based on the column headings and the descriptions that I provided in the prompt. And we have a really great variety here. So our themes based on the data sources were micro-learning apps, SOP inefficiencies, which are standing operating features, or standard operating inefficiencies, sorry, and then peer forums for knowledge and skill gaps, and then safety compliance. So I am going to copy this, and then I'm going to let you all do some experimentation, and I would like you to paste your findings in each of your worksheets, and then we will talk about it at the end. Good luck. If you need anything, let me know, and I can't wait to see what you dig up through this exploratory exercise.